Yeah, hello students, welcome back to Chemistry Wala classes. This is Satish Kumar. Today we are going to discuss about one important topic from the structure of atom. The topic name is Bohr atomic model, postulates, merits and demerits. This is a very important 8 marks question in intermediate first year and as well as 6 marks question in class 10th board exams. So they will ask you in the examination, write Bohr atomic model postulates. Sometimes merits and demerits also they will ask you. So when it comes to the postulates, first postulate, electrons revolve around the nucleus in fixed circular paths are called orbits or shells. Second point, each shell associated with the fixed energy, these energy levels shown by small n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and are also designated by K, L, M, N. So here you need to remember orbits, another name is shells, and you can call energy levels. Energy levels. And third point, as long as an electron revolves in an orbit, it neither lose nor gain energy, hence these orbits are called stationary orbits. And fourth postulate is, when an electron jumps from a lower orbit to a higher orbit, it absorbs energy, and when an electron jumps from higher orbit to lower orbit, it emits energy in the form of radiation. These absorbed and emitted energy difference is shown by delta E is equal to E2 minus E1 is equal to h nu. Here E2 is equal to when electron in the excited state, I mean higher orbit. E1 is equal to when electron in the lower orbit, nothing but lower energy level or ground state. And h is equal to Planck constant, nu is equal to frequency. And final postulate, the angular momentum of electron is equal to mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. Here m is equal to mass of the electron, v is equal to velocity of electron, r is equal to radius of the orbit, and n is equal to principal quantum number which tells about shell, and h is equal to Planck constant. After these 5 postulates, merits, what are the merits of Niels Bohr atomic model? So first merit is explained why electrons do not fall into the nucleus. So why the electrons are not falling into the nucleus? Because the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in fixed energy levels. And the second point, Niels Bohr atomic model explained the line spectrum of hydrogen. Hydrogen spectrum is called line spectrum. And when it comes to demerits, Bohr atomic model could not explain the spectra of atoms with more than one electron. It means with the help of hydrogen atom only Niels Bohr explained the atomic model, but it is not support for helium, lithium, beryllium, multi-electron species or multi-electron atoms purpose. And second point, not explained the fine spectrum of hydrogen atom. So fine spectrum of hydrogen atom is nothing but when you keep the hydrogen spectrum in magnetic field, it is going to break into again sharper lines. That effect is called Zeeman effect. So Niels Bohr atomic model not explained the Zeeman effect, and as well as Stark effect. When you keep the hydrogen spectrum in presence of electric field, it can split into finer lines. That is called Stark effect. not explained by Niels Bohr atomic model. And Bohr atomic model could not explain the wave nature of electron.